Now, there is one more method of adding animations to your slides. First, what we have to do, we have to select the object. As soon as you select the object, below format, yeah, beside format, you will be able to see three dots, or directly you will be able to see animate. Click on that particular part. You don't have to go in insert and animate directly. We can go from here also. That is, we have to click on the animate and we have to wait till it loads. Yes, you are able to see that it is loaded. By default, it will be fade in. It is up to us. Suppose I select zoom in, and again by paragraph, and I'm decreasing the speed so that the text comes in a very medium speed. What I will be doing, I will be clicking on play just in order to see that the animations have been applied correctly. We have to wait again for few seconds. Now you are able to see that the slide has come but the text haven't. So what I will be doing, click. You are able to see that the text is zooming in. And since we clicked on paragraph, we are able to see one by one the text is coming. So now the animations have been applied properly. We require to click on the stop button, and after clicking on the stop button, the animation will automatically get stopped and we have to click on the slide. One more time I'm showing you this particular thing. So just click on the stop button in order to stop the animation and come back to the slides. It will again take few seconds in order to come back to the original slide. So yes, directly from here also, that is from animate also, we are directly able to apply the animation. The only thing is that first we have to select the text, only then this particular thing will be enabled. When you are not selecting the text, we won't be able to see the animate option from here.